at Vietnam Industrial and Manufacturing Exhibition 2023, with 350 booths and more than 12,000 visitors. VSTech is honored to be the supplier of Made in Vietnam industrial image processing software with many advantages, outstanding features, flexibility, and especially at a very reasonable cost. VSTech solutions are researched and developed by a team of experienced engineers. With products applying artificial intelligence and deep learning AI, VSTech helps stabilize product quality, reduce costs, increase productivity, and a firm reputation with demanding customers. VSTech would like to thank our customers and partners for visiting our booth and directly experience our products. We look forward to accompany our customers and partners in the near future. Sincerely, thank you.